if you want to get paid to make the world a better place, I mean, that's the definition of a dream job, is basically like being helpful, something you do for free, but you're getting paid for it. That's a dream job. So if you're young and you're like, I don't know how to get started, I don't really like school yet, you can join the California Conservation Corps. They have a forestry corps where you can learn all about forestry and get paid and have residential facility to live in. So ccc.ca.gov if you're interested in a job like that. And Redwoods Rising has Redwood Rising apprentices. So you can come out here. This is cutting edge restoration. Redwoods Rising is the model for forest restoration all over the United States, perhaps even the world. So we have a lot of students that are watching this right now. And a lot of times what they ask in the comments is, how do I get your job? Do you have any tips for young up-and-comers or old up-and-comers that want to get into this line of work?
Being a forester isn't just about cutting trees. It's about understanding the whole system and how it functions and how we as humans can influence that. And so, what I look at when I come into a forest is, what's the current condition of the forest? How has it been altered over time? And what can we do to set it back on a natural trajectory so that kind of the natural conditions of the stand can kind of take over? And we have a lot to learn from the people that manage these forests for thousands of years, our indigenous residents of these areas, and how they manage these forests and managed with natural processes for all the things that they needed. So we have a lot to learn there. And forestry, I just think of, if you're really interested in learning more about forestry, spend some time reading books about all the different components of forests and how you could play a role in bringing those natural processes back. We've done a lot over the years to put these forests in an unnatural position, either by preventing forest fires from doing their natural thing or by logging. And so my role as what I consider a restoration forester is really using some of the forestry tools that we have to put these forests back in a more natural condition.
Very cool. So check us out, redwoodsrising.org, and learn about the innovation that's taking place to save species in our forest. Thanks, Ben.
Thank you.